Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Grok on X. In order to do so, here we are at x.com, and you can also find this on your platform of preference, whether you're using iOS or Android. You can download Grok directly, but if you're heading over to x.com and you want to use Grok here, there's a couple places you can find it. First, you can see it here in the main menu, and you can also find it here at the bottom right hand corner, this icon here. If you click on that, that also opens up Grok so you have easy access. But let's go ahead and click on Grok here. And here we go. So you can basically start with anything. You've got a variety of options here to play with. You can attach files. You can use the deep search function, which will search the internet more thoroughly. And you can use the think function, which will think about your question more thoroughly as well. And then recently, they've added the edit image option, which is really great. So you can bring in your images and you can edit them just by using prompts. So it's really nice that they added that. And if you're looking to use Grok, it's as simple as that. You can also find your past chats. If you come up here to where the history is, then you can find your past chats. You could find your bookmarks. You can find images that you've made. It's all here. And that's how you can get started with Grok. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'll be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you're looking for a new bank, check out Simply Financial. Click on the link there in our link tree, and you can get $50 to start a brand new account. And if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 and they will get $50 to start as well. It's a great deal, a win-win situation, and Simply Financial is a great bank, highly recommended.